Different versions. Tackling different file types is one thing, but sometimes you have to tackle a different version of AutoCAD, and that's a whole nother thing. Somebody could be working with an older version of AutoCAD or an AutoCAD LT, and although they may be creating a .dwg file, the way those files are set up when they're saved may restrict older versions or newer versions from communicating with each other. But luckily, there's a way to save your files so that way an older version of AutoCAD or an AutoCAD LT could read the file. So how do we go about saving our file for a different version of AutoCAD to open? Well, you can do that easily by going to the application menu and then going to save as. And now as we save our drawing, we look here as the files of type, we open up this menu, and now we can save to a specific version of AutoCAD. It can range from AutoCAD 2013, AutoCAD 2010, the 2007, to the 2004 version. And as you can see, the 2010 and the LT 2010 can communicate with each other. So every year, the files changed a little bit. So you have to make sure to specify which year that you're saving it as. But maybe you don't want to always come in here and save it as a 2010 version. Well, there's a fix for that. You can go ahead and right click in model space and go to options, or you can come to the application menu and go to options here. I'll go ahead and right click here and I'll go to options. That brings up the options dialog box. Right now we're in the selection tab. Let's come over to the first tab and select files. And here you can find various settings to save your document. But what we want to look for is the open and save. And here we have the file save. Now we can set the default save settings. We can pull down this menu, and again we can select anything from among this list. So when you save your file, it will save it to a specific version of the .dwg. This will help you when communicating with a lot of older versions of AutoCAD, or you just need to make sure that someone else somewhere, maybe in a different office or a coworker who isn't using the same version as you, can open your files. You can go ahead and explore some of these other options, such as the thumbnail preview settings, the save percentage, a file open, and many of the other settings that are here. So remember, when you're saving a file, make sure you're saving it in the proper format if someone else has a different version of AutoCAD.